Hey everyone, Robert from PageFly here. Welcome to the PageFly Holiday Tips series designed to boost your sales. In this video, I'll walk you through several ideas that you can use for your Valentine's Day promotion campaign with PageFly. This is especially useful if your store currently has dropshipping or pod products. Not knowing where to start? Here I'll go over all the tips which will be presented in this video. Update product photography. Use Valentine-themed colors, fonts, icons, and graphics. Create Valentine-themed product pages or gifting guide. Create a promotional landing page. First up, update product photography. In order for online stores to stay aligned with holiday changings, many store owners introduce holiday-themed products images so that their old images don't disrupt the seasonal spirit of the page. Do not worry too much about manually changing your photos across all pages, because PageFly automatically registers products images changes from Shopify data. It's simple. Here I'll demonstrate it. Go to Shopify dashboard, click Products, then select the product which you would like to update its images. Select the images you wish to delete, and then replace them with Valentine-themed images of that product. Go back to PageFly and see the results getting auto-updated. Secondly, use Valentine-themed colors, fonts, icons, and graphics. Our available Valentine-themed templates has an abundance of the right colors, fonts, icons, and graphics for this exact occasion. You can easily edit your content right on our templates or look up necessary info on our used assets. I'll show some examples for you. For colors, select this section, go to Styling tab, scroll down and select this RGB box in background color. Here, you'll see a color hex code to use for other elements. For fonts, select this heading, go to Styling tab, scroll down and you should see the font used in typography. If you can't find an ideal font, select this cog icon, go to Uploaded Font and upload your font via Global Styles. We have a handy tutorial video for you, link in the description. For icons, select Add Elements. Under Basic menu, select Icon, drag and drop it onto your page. Click on the icon, in General tab, click Select Icon. You'll see a lot of icons ready to use. We suggest typing in heart or gift in the search field here to look for what you need. And for graphics, you can select this section, save the section and use it onto your other pages. Make sure your saved section is published. Next up, create Valentine-themed product pages and gifting guide. Creating Valentine-themed product pages and gifting guide has never been easier, with the help of PageFly. Here I'll show you a quick way to set up your product page along with a gifting guide. Here from PageFly app from Shopify dashboard, select Pages. Then create a product page from Template. Search for Valentine and select this template. You can now add the product details here in PageFly will automatically show your Valentine-themed product. Right below it, you can see Tabs element. Select Tabs, go to General tab on the right, and click on Add New Item. Then, you'll be able to have a tab dedicated to gifting guide if this product offers gifting procedure. Or, if you don't like having it in tab, try out our pre-made gift guide template section which you can easily access here via template sections. And finally, create a promotional landing page. Target your customers' FOMO by creating a promotional landing page that highlights your seasonal, limited time offerings. Having this onto your store will certainly make your store more festive while obtaining more potential buyers. You can easily replicate a stunning Valentine-themed landing page for your store quickly by following these steps. Add a new section here, and change the background image into a Valentine graphics. Then, use 1/2 layout to display text and image side by side. Now, I'll add a heading, a paragraph, a countdown timer, and a button on the left column. Then I'll configure all of their styling to make them Valentine-centric. Then, on the right column, I'll add this image. Once you're done with the banner, scroll down and finish the rest of the landing page. If you aren't clear what to do, we have a handy video tutorial on how to create a stunning Shopify landing page using PageFly, which you can view from the info card on top right or check the video in the description. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching.